I'm Mark Schneider and you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to be working on the brakes for this 2005 Pontiac Sunfire. So today we are testing out the GoPro for one of these videos because all my camera stuff, my brother is borrowing right now because he's hopefully recording an engine swap on his Honda Civic for you guys. Yes, cat, come here. You're a good cat. So we're going to be testing out the GoPro for this video. But what happened is the rear line in the Pontiac Sunfire here, in my sister's Sunfire, the rear passenger side brake line blew out, rusted away, which is not good. We are going to order the proper lines later on, but I'm going to show you how to do a quick patch job because she needs to use this car until the proper line comes in. No tripod. As you can see here, I checked yesterday. I had it all jacked up here. Took off the tire yesterday to see what was the problem, to see if it was just the brakes. Now we're squirting out the line. So if I bring you underneath here, you can probably see right here, she's cracked. So I'll maybe probably take my cutter, cut right here, and hopefully cut right here and here. Put on the male ends, flare it out, and then make a cut out of the line I have and make a patch. I don't really want to redo all this because she's rusted. Like, she's really rusted, and she's done. So that's the plan. So you go right here, make a cut, flare it down, get this done first, then go inside, take measurements. Because if I have to cut further up, I have to cut further up. So my only worry here, put the camera on the brake. My only worry here is because I bent her down, so she's bent now a little bit right there. My only worry is if there's something rotted in here, which I hope there's not. What happened is this corner blew out, and I'm just hoping nothing's squirting through here. This is fine. We are going to do a proper fix later on. We're going to order a whole new line, everything. But right now, she's rounded off right there. I can't get her off, and I don't want to. That's a last resort if I have to, because we'll just cut her off here. I'll go and grab my bolt remover and we'll take her off. But I don't, I'm trying not to do that right now, because this is like, I don't want to do a big job when I don't have all the proper line and stuff. I'm just doing a quick patch job. Oh man, is she ever rusty? Should never be this rusty. But whatever, she's old. So we're gonna make our cut right here. And right here. So she didn't want to come out easily, so she just snapped off anyways. So good thing I bought bolt removers. Got that out of here. The new one does screw in. I'm gonna try the other side now with the fucking bolt remover because I don't have any choice. So let's get at it. I'm coming up just a little bit. Never enough. know if you can see this. It's snowing like crazy. So it's snowing like crazy. You can't see my face. That's fine, because I'm freezing my butt off working underneath the car. Yep. You can see, you can see. If you can't, you can't. I don't care. I just need to get it done.
I feel the
Yeah, okay. She's got brakes. So I'm done for tonight. I don't know how much this video saw. I don't know what it is. I have to go and redo the one seal, but my hand's yellow. Awesome. I have to go redo the one seal, but it has brakes now, sorta. That I did while it's snowing, in minus like 15, and I'm cold and frozen and ready for sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this episode of Schneider Classics. Hope to see you guys in the next episode where we're going to be working on way more stuff. See you guys next time.